The summer sun is blazing the shores alive. Derek's your guide, helping dreams thrive. From beach homes to views, a perfect spot. Let's get your price high, give it all we've got. With every showing, we're raising the stakes. Your dreams within reach, just watch what it takes. Labor Day vibes, let's make a move. Derek Doernbach, he's got the groove. Selling and buying, it's all in the...
Hey there, Atlantic County homeowners. It's Derek Doernbach from your Jersey Shore team. And today we're diving into the latest local market data to help you make the best decisions when selling your home. Our current market inventory sits at 3.82 months, which means we're still in a seller's market. What does that mean for you? Simply put, there's a strong demand for homes just like yours, giving you a great opportunity to attract buyers. Looking at inventory trends, there's been a slight increase of 2% over the past month and 7% over the past year. This means more homes are coming onto the market, but the demand is still high, so the competition is just starting to build. Now let's talk about pricing. Homes in our area are selling for about 99% of their asking price. This tells us that buyers are willing to meet your asking price, so setting a competitive price is key to securing a quick sale. With homes spending a median of 23 days in the market, properties are moving at a steady pace. This time frame gives you a bit of breathing room to find the right buyer without feeling rushed. The median home price in Atlantic County is $380,000. This sets a solid benchmark for pricing your home competitively. Remember, a well-priced home attracts more interest and can lead to a faster sale. So if you're ready to list your home and want expert guidance on pricing, staging, or timing, reach out to me, Derek Doernbach, your local trusted realtor at the Jersey Shore. Let's make your selling experience a success.
So click that link and let's start today. With Derek by your side, your dreams unfold. We'll pave the way. Oh.